Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Our topic is conducting materials. Here are some group members. Our content are fuses, RTD, superconductivity, and applications. First, we will see fuses. Fuses is essential a short piece of metal which melts when an excessive current flows through it. The circuit is then interrupted and so the damage due to the fault is prevented at the expense of the fuse. These are designed to operate up to 115 kV. History. In 1847, Brigade recommended use of reduced section conductors to protect telegraph stations from lightning strikes by melting. The smaller wires would protect apparatus and wiring inside the building. A variety of wire or foil fusible elements were in used to protect telegraph cables and lightning installations as early as 1864. A fuse was patented by Thomas Edison in 1890 as part of this successful electric distribution system. Here are some types of fuses: low voltage fuse and high voltage fuse. Low voltage fuse up to 33 kV. Semi-enclosed revivable fuse. It has one or more strands of fuse wire stretched between terminal blocks, used where low value of fault current are to be handled. Cartridge fuse. It consists of a ceramic body having metal end caps to which are welded fusible silver current carrying elements. The space within the body surrounding the elements is completely packed with filling powder. High voltage fuses. High voltage, high power fuses are protective switching devices used to operate up to 115 kV. Large power fuses are fusible elements made of silver, copper, or tin. They are used in power supply networks, transformer circuits, motor circuits, and capacitor banks. RTD. RTD stands for resistive temperature detector. The change in temperature is detected by the change in resistance of the wire. There are two types of RTD: wires having positive and negative thermal coefficients of resistivity. Resistance increases or decreases with the increase in temperature respectively. RTDs are used for temperature measurements by using Thermin bridge circuits. The change in temperature causes considerable resistance change in which gives a voltage drop in accordance with the thermal coefficient of resistance of the wire. This voltage is further amplified and the temperature is read thus. This is how the RTDs are used in circuit assisting in automatic control and measurement with high accuracy. Common resistance materials for RTDs: platinum, most popular and accurate; nickel, copper, Balco rare, tungsten. Applications of RTDs: it is widely used in furnaces for automatic temperature measurement. Due to its compactness, it replaces conventional thermometers as well as thermocouples, thus eliminating the use of lots of wires. Used in medical and chemical laboratories to detect very low temperature like dry ice and liquid nitrogen. Due to electrical output, is used wherever feedback system is required and corrective action is thus taken in an automated system. Occurrence of superconductivity. Superconducting elements and constants. Sn tin 3.72, mercury that is 4.15, lead that is 7.19. Superconducting compounds: niobium titanium that is 10 and niobium tin that is 18.1. Application: large distance power transmission, P is equal to 0. Switching device: easy destruction of superconductivity. Sensitive electrical equipment: small V variation, large constant current. Memory or storage element: persistent current. Highly efficient small sized electrical generator and transformer. Superconducting solenoids: magneto hydrodynamic power generation, plasma maintenance. Medical applications: NMR nuclear magnetic resonance, scanning, brainwave activity, brain tumor defective cells, separate damaged cells and healthy cells. Superconductors: superconductivity is a phenomenon in a certain materials at extremely low temperatures characterized by exactly zero electrical resistance and exclusive of the interior magnetic field, that is the Meissner effect. The phenomenon is nothing but losing the resistivity absolutely when cooled to sufficient low temperatures. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.